In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order on Moomoo. A limit order is a great way to control the price you pay or receive for a stock. Unlike a market order, which fills at the best available price right now, a limit order will only execute if the market reaches your specified price or better. That means you get price control, though it may not fill if the market never touches your limit. Start by opening Moomoo on your mobile device or desktop. Use the search bar to find the stock you want to trade by typing its ticker symbol, then tap or click the result to open the stock's detail page. You'll see the price chart, key stats, and recent activity here, which is helpful context before placing any order. Next, tap the Trade button, typically located at the bottom of the screen on mobile or clearly visible on desktop. This opens the order ticket. Now decide if you're buying or selling. Choose Buy if you want to open or add to a position at your chosen price. Choose Sell if you plan to exit or trim shares when the price reaches your target. On the order screen, look for the order type drop-down. Select Limit, often labeled LMT. This tells Moomoo you want the order to execute only at your chosen price, or better, not at the current market price. If you see options for light or pro trading modes, know that both support selecting order types. The interface may look slightly different, but the choice of limit works the same. Now set your price. Tap the price box and enter the specific limit you're willing to pay for a buy or the minimum you'll accept for a sell. For example, if the stock is at 100 but you only want to buy if it dips to 95, enter 95 as your limit price. Remember, the order won't execute above 95 in this example, which protects you from paying more than you intend. Enter the quantity of shares you want to trade. You can type in the number directly or use the plus and minus controls. On mobile, you may see a quick gauge that shows what percentage of your buying power you're using, which helps you size the trade responsibly. When everything looks right, submit the order by tapping Buy or Sell. Review the confirmation details carefully and enter your trading PIN if prompted. Your limit order is now placed and will only fill if the market reaches your specified price or better. If it doesn't, it will remain pending until conditions are met or you cancel it. That's how you set a limit order on Moomoo with confidence.